Well, I said I was going to clean up and put in some patches, but I can't clean up. I need all these tools out here. The clamps, hammers, this and that. At least I straighten them up, I organize them, at least I can find them now. But I need my grinders, I need my clamps, I need my hammers, I just need everything. So anyway, I straightened it up and I got my pieces made. I was surprised they turned out. And here's one side. It's going to turn out really good. And got my other side here. Going to come down like that. It'll work out good. Do a little bit of trimming here and there. And get my two pieces. Like that. Here. So they're flush or almost flush. And then do a butt joint, which I hate, because I don't know how to do it right. I always end up blowing through or some damn thing. I can't get the right adjustments on my welder. And I know it's not the welder, it's me. Well, here we go. I'm going to weld my arc pieces in, or whatever you want to call them. I got them clamped from the sides. I got it clamped from here. I do not want that to move at all. So you can't put too many clamps on it. And we'll see if I'm right. Oh, well, that'll work. Well, that worked out better than I thought. Maybe I'm starting to learn something. Well, I am learning. It's all because of my YouTube buddies. Yeah, that's looking good. Perfect. Finish welding it up. Got a little piece in the corner here to do. I might even be able to stitch weld that. It's only a little crack on either side. I think I can do that. Well, I'm done for the day. I think it turned out pretty good. That's all solid there. I did have a crack along here. I was going to stitch it in. I figured, no, I'll put in a new piece of metal. So that whole area there is all new metal. I'm slowly learning how to do this stuff. And then I got the other patch over here. That turned out excellent, in my opinion anyway. Again, I think I'm learning a little bit. I got tips and tricks from this guy and that guy, all my YouTube buddies. But I'll slowly get it done. Can't rush it.